What's going on, guys? This is Jason Marshall with the ASA Group. And listen, we got some excellent news here on some groundbreaking technology that is also known as the Vive Client Portal. And so, what I'm here to show you today quickly is how to register for the portal and customize it for your agency. And so, I want to just do a quick screen share here and we'll just jump right into it. So, of course, the first thing you need to do is you want to go to our website, which is theasagroup.com. Okay. And then you want to log in if you have not already logged in. So up here at the top left hand corner. And so I'm already logged in. So what you want to do is go to tools, then you want to go to Vive. I'm going to go ahead and just use my account as the test or dummy account. And so once this populates here, you want to hit Launch Vive. And you see right up here at the top right, it says Vive Client Portal, learn more, subscribe now. So I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe. And this is what the portal looks like. Of course, you'll put your name here, your phone number, your email, and then you can select the carriers that you would like to show on the portal. Right now, these are all the carriers that are currently offered on the Vive portal. And you can agree to the terms and conditions, and you have obtained approval, permits, licenses, and the like necessary for use on this site. So you can click that. And then you got two options here, which you want to, let's see here. So I got to subscribe first. Excellent. All right. So now I'm subscribed. So now what I want to do is, what you want to do is click here and you want to upload your picture. So I think I'm gonna do this picture. Let's see which one I want to do. Gotta make sure I'm handsome. All right, so here's one. Let that upload. Excellent. And then you're gonna be able to put your company logo here. So you click here, and then I'll put the ASA logo here. And so that is how you you set up your portal. And so let's see if we can go ahead and take a quick look here. Let's see here. All right, here's the link. So once I click on it, this is what the portal will look like for you. So of course you'll have your name, your email, your phone number, your picture there, and then that's where your client can put in their data right there. So just want to show you guys how to register and set up your custom portal for your clients to be able to automatically quote and submit their own applications on your portal.